Marcy. I'm a small business owner, a lapidary artist, and I give Photoshop 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Before Photoshop, I've tried a number of programs. The two main ones were Pixel and um, PixArt. And although they have a lot of free features, they can do no comparison to Photoshop. When it comes to photo editing, especially running an online business, having good photos is part of how you sell your products. And Photoshop has everything that you could need and more. I mean, I still haven't figured out half of the things I can do in there, but it helps not enhance or filter my photos, but it brings out the natural beauty of my products and allows people to see the true color of the gemstones that I use. With Photoshop, it's about as basic as it gets. They have tutorials to literally walk you through anything you need to go through. If you can't figure something out, just follow the little tutorials. It tells you what each button means, how to use it, how to incorporate that with different layers. I mean, anybody could use it. It's so easy a kid could use it. I would recommend giving Photoshop a try. I was deterred from it for so long because I was looking for something cheaper or more convenient. Photoshop has it all. They have free features, they have paid features, they have different plans, they have a package for you, and if you just needed a one-time use thing, use their free features. It's quite simple.